channel where personal development is of the essence and is the foundation of everything we're trying to build. Thank you for the new subscribers for tuning in. For the guys that have been here, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. And you guys taking the time to come watch my videos. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on new videos, Thank you very much. And happy November. Happy November. It's a new month. So happy, happy, happy. I'm going to be introducing a new theme for this month, which is how to prepare yourself for a better future. And it's going to be very exciting. I'm going to start off with a vision board, and some of the other weeks I'm going to have people like guests speaking, but we're going to have live videos. So I hope you guys look out for that, and I hope you guys enjoy it because I'm also excited about it. So yeah, thank you so much guys. Right into it, how to prepare for a better future. So I'm first gonna introduce this theme and why I decided to go with this theme, and then I'm gonna go straight into the vision board. Preparing for the future is very important. Preparation in essence is very important, and I've realized how important it is for ourselves to prepare ourselves for success, to prepare ourselves for a better future, to prepare ourselves for a new year, in advance. That's very important. Most of the time we wait for the beginning of the year to prepare for that particular year, and I've adopted a new style of preparing myself 90 days before a new year, So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've been preparing myself for better 2021. 2020 has been hectic, but it's been amazing. It's been challenging, and it's been growing. A lot of people have grown. A lot of people are rising beyond their circumstances. So preparation is key with people for next year. And I'm just gonna let you know that when you plant, when you want to start a garden, say a home garden, and you want to plant seeds, you don't just wake up in the morning and start planting. No, you need to prepare. You need to prepare the soil. You need to make the soil fertile. You need to nourish the soil. You need to first dig up the ground, make the soil soft, water the soil, and for a couple of days, just water the soil, turn it around, nurture it. Put in like fertilizers. It could be peels of vegetables. It could be eggshells. It could be so many things that you could put into the soil to nurture it so that it's soft and moisture and moist, and it's just ready to receive the seeds. Because if it's prepared properly, if the soil is prepared properly, it increases the chances of turning the seeds into plants, turning the seeds into fruits. So preparation is very, very important, and that is why I'm stressing this theme of how to prepare for a better future. And how else to prepare for a better future than to have a vision board. A vision board is very important. I used to be told and I used to hear about how important a vision board is, but I never knew until I actually tried it. Until I actually tried it, my life changed, and certain things changed, and it put a lot of things into perspective. And I've only had one vision board that I designed so far, but I'm actually looking on to designing like a more detailed vision board. So bear with me, because this is my first vision board that I designed. But I designed this vision board last year. Last year when I was going through a lot of things, I was busy dreaming and imagining all these things. And I just want to share it with you guys just a moment. So this is my vision board, guys. I drew it last year, and I was dreaming last year. Last year was a very difficult year for me, but I was still dreaming, and I was still, hoping for a better future and a better life. And right now, if I was to go through this vision board, you'd maybe understand how important and powerful a vision board is. Just right here, I put down that I want to be a motivational speaker. I want to empower people. I want to speak life into people. And here I am, YouTube channel sharing content. I have Monday Fire Motivation, and this thing is actually happening. And had I not had it on my vision board, it wouldn't feel as if I didn't, as if I attracted it. By putting it up here, I attracted it, and by seeing that I achieved it, it makes me feel good as a person. Just below it, I had put down that I want to live a healthy lifestyle, That was before I came across Herbalife or the Herbalife opportunity. And finally now I'm part of Herbalife, and nutrition is such an important thing, and I'm pushing a healthy lifestyle. I want to live a healthy lifestyle. I'm living it right now, you know. So that is very important. And funny enough, it was on my vision board. Not as it's happening now, but I had imagined that I want to live a healthy lifestyle. I want to be aware of what I'm putting inside my body. I want to exercise, you know, all those things, and I'm doing them. And I put down that I want to get an apartment. Wow, I wanted to get my own apartment because where I was living, you know, it was like too expensive. It was not nice. It was a commune, you know, and all those things, and I didn't enjoy it. And here I am, you know. You know, it's not the best apartment, or I don't have, you know, all the money to get the greatest apartment, but it's a great apartment. You know, I have a place and a roof over my head, and that's the most important thing. And I have peace and I have space where I can shoot videos like these, you know. So I truly appreciate how far I've come in terms of getting myself an apartment. I said that I'd have fun, and I've not been having fun. You know, I'm really gonna, you know, stress that I've not been having a lot of fun. So I've been down for a very long time in my life because I was not having fun. And then I said I'd make money. I'm in the process of doing this. I've been going after this, but I think creating value is much more important than making money, because you know, when you create value, you will chase money. Money will chase you. And I said I'd mentor others, but I have all these things that are here, you know, and they are pulling me to a better future. They are honestly pulling me to this thing that, you know, I have in my mind that is clear, and I'm dreaming in color. You know, a vision board allows you to dream in color. So guys, I'm really gonna suggest and to you guys that you get yourself a vision board. You design yourself a vision board, and maybe you can let me know in the comment section if you guys want, like, you know, a video just that has to do with how to make a vision board, because I went through it last year and this is how it's coming. Like, some of the things I've not achieved them, but I'm pulling towards them, you know, I'm going towards them. It's a future that I'm going to, you know. And some of the things like, you know, graduating, going on holiday, getting married, you know, starting a family, you know, like buying, you know, the best car or whatever the case is. Some of the things are there, but they are pulling me towards a greater future. And the more I progress, the more I learn, the more I grow, the more I realize that detail and color is important. You know, you have to dream in detail and in color. You have to be precise about what you want. And this vision board is not as precise as I want it to be. And you know, I'd like a more precise vision board. That's why I want to design a new one. And because also I have new dreams. You know, I have new dreams. You know, and new things that I want to do. So you know, just keep dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop believing. But work towards something. You know, you want to have it, your vision board there. And you want to see it. You know, every day, every morning when I wake up, I walk out of my room. I see my vision board and I think about the things that I want. You know, and the things that I have to do to get what I want and to be where I want to be. So a vision board is very important, guys. I'm really going to stress that again. Design yourself a vision board so that you can start preparing yourself to have a better future. Very important, a better future. It's very important for you to design a better future for yourself. You know, have a destination of where you want to get where you want to be, because when you arrive there, it will feel good because you designed the plan for yourself, you designed the destination, and you achieved it, you know. So it's very important for you to design a vision board. I'm not gonna stress much. I'm not gonna continue and drag the video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for tuning in. Go design your vision board. Go design your own vision board and comment, you know, about if you guys are really interested in me making a video about how to design a vision board. So thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day.